and welcome to my first ever Babebox. The first month is free. You can pay shipping. That was the promotion they were promoting when I got this. You do have to pay for your second month, which is normally $29, and you get $150 worth of goodies in this box for 5 full-size products, which is really, really nice. I did peek just to see what the inside of the box looks like, which is not why it's not in the packaging, and it looks pretty good, so I can't wait to get into this with you guys. Well, we opened the box. Sorry about peeking. I'll be better next time, so I know what it looks like. Don't know if I'll do this one again because I have some other beauty subscription boxes I would love to share with you guys. But it says, to be beautiful means to be yourself. And then it's got all of the products listed on here for you, which I'll keep next to me to explain the products to you. So the first product right here on top is, which if you look, normally it's more put together. I shook the box a little bit. So that's kind of all your products sitting there right on there, and all the fancy little tissue paper. So first we've got the Basic Beauty Bronzer AF Bronzer Palette, which I will get it out for you. It's a little stuck. Oh, I ripped the box. Good thing I get to keep this. So you open it, it's got a little mirror, and oops. And now I have bronzer on my finger. But anyways, that's what the bronzer colors look like. I'm so excited to try that out. But it does say, kiss spray tans goodbye and emulate a sun-kissed glow with the new Bronzer AF palette. This formulated powder glides on effortlessly and is easy buildable. Retail value of $30. Set that to the side. So next we have our Muddy Masky Leave Me On Winter Mask. This protective mask that helps you throughout cold winters when your skin is most vulnerable for skin diseases like rash. With soothing ingredients, their mask keeps your face baby soft during the harshness seasons. Retail value of $44. But I like to save the mask stuff to try it with my friend, so I'm sure that'll be really fun to try. Might have to do like a mask try video once I have enough mask products to do with her on my channel. If you guys would be interested in that, please comment and let me know. That'd be great. The next thing on this list is the Lower East Side eyeshadow, 4-color eyeshadow palette. So obviously that's in a box too, and that makes it really hard to get into for you guys, unless it slides out. No, it does not. Oh, okay, it popped open. Come on, guys. Okay, there we go. So we've got the Lower East Side. It's got your eyeshadow palettes. Oh, these are some nice neutral colors. I could really see myself using these. And it's very shiny and reflective. And obviously, retail value of $38. Then the next is the Illuminating Prism Mascara, which that's what it looks like. Very cool. Very shiny. And this is normally $21. The new Prism Mascara features extra stiff bristles mixed with the the darkest, they put a comma after that, black pigment to create a full, defined, and dramatic finish. This mascara will keep your lashes long and bold all day long, which I love. And then our last product is the Alika Beauty Blush Liquid. It's raspberry. The liquid blush is ideal for sculpting the cheekbones. Its initiative application and its gel texture and matte finish blend instantly with the complexion. Retail value of $17, which is so cool. I can't wait to try it. That's what it looks like. But those are all the products in my box. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you want to see that mask video. And honestly, let me know what other beauty box subscriptions you would like to see me try on my channel. Well, on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. I'm going to point. Yeah. I'm going to point. Anyways. Yeah. But if you liked today's video, please give me a big thumbs up. Yeah. If you want to see more of my content, please subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.